How to fix Facebook Messenger attachment unavailable. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix this error. So if you guys are facing the attachment unavailable error on Messenger, it might be because of a few reasons. So if someone has sent you any link and you are not able to open it, then in that case, what you can do is check your internet connection. So swipe down on your notification or the control panel and turn off your Wi-Fi. Try switching over to mobile data and see if that works. Then if you're on mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi network and see if it helps you with anything. But if it doesn't help, then what you're going to have to do is long press on the Messenger app, tap on the I button to go to its app info. Now from here, you're going to have to clear cache from storage. Go to storage, and then from here, simply clear cache. Go back, and if there's any background activities going on, you want to stop that. So simply tap on the Force Stop app, and then completely restrict its background activity. Go to battery, make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized. And finally, you just need to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Go to Play Store, tap on the search bar, and simply search for Messenger. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version and then restart your phone once. Once you've done that, you should be able to fix the problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.